Hey guys, are you selling on Amazon or going to sell on Amazon? Well, you need product photos to upload. I'm going to teach you how to make Amazon, eBay, etc. product photos for your product yourself using CANVA. Okay, I'm going to use this my pre-made dog bed Amazon product image templates as an example. You can follow along this or you can start from scratch. You need to take your product's images yourself or take from your manufacturer before start doing this. Before start editing, watch closely how this dummy product photos placed on template. You can take your product photos in these angle to replace as exactly on template or start from scratch. As you can see, you can easily replace your product images to templates. If you have CANVA Pro, easy to cut off background of your products to put without a background like this dummy image. All templates are fully editable and you can drag and drop, change the location, fonts, color. When you've done the editing, simply click the share button top right corner and click download. You will get a zip file. Extract and get your beautiful and well-detailed product photos that ready to upload on your Amazon store. Last but not least, if you have multiple products to upload, check out our Etsy store for more pre-made Amazon product listing templates and A+ content. Link in the description. Help you to save your time and make easily product images for your products. Leave a comment for any questions you have. Check out other videos for more details. Thanks for watching.